Hello, friends. Discover the latest and coolest kitchen gadgets you need to upgrade your cooking game. From smart tools to time-saving devices, these must-haves are perfect for every home chef. Watch now to see them in action and make your kitchen life easier. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gadget reviews. So, friends, let's start the video. Mini Donut Maker. The Dash Mini Donut Maker machine stands out as an exceptional addition to any kitchen, particularly for those who enjoy creating delightful treats at home. Its eye-catching aqua color adds a playful touch to the appliance, which is compactly designed with dimensions of 8.7 D into 10.6 bobblers into 3.9 HH, ensuring it fits comfortably on most countertops without taking up too much space. This manual donut maker boasts a power of 760 watts, enabling it to heat quickly and deliver consistent results. Weighing just 3.26 pounds, its lightweight construction makes it easy to handle and store away when not in use. The metal material ensures durability while also being PFOA-free, prioritizing safety in your kitchen endeavors. With a customer rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars, derived from over 13,200 reviews, the Dash Mini Donut Maker is highly regarded in its category, holding the #1 spot for mini donut makers and ranking number 2,176 in the broader kitchen and dining segment. It demonstrates reliability. Slow cooker. The Hawkins CB30 hard anodized pressure cooker is a stand choice for anyone. The Crock-Pot 7-quart oval manual slow cooker stands out as a reliable and efficient kitchen essential for those who appreciate the art of slow cooking. Constructed from durable stainless steel with a stoneware insert, this model exudes a balance of style and functionality, making it an attractive addition to any kitchen decor. With a substantial capacity of 7 quarts, it is ideal for families or gatherings, allowing you to prepare hearty meals in one go. The dimensions of 16.9 inches deep, 11.8 inches wide, and 10.4 inches high ensure it fits comfortably on most countertops without taking up excessive space. Weighing in at 12.6 pounds, it is manageable to move, yet robust enough to withstand regular use. Operating at 210 watts and designed for standard 120 volts, the slow cooker offers 3 distinct heat settings: low, high, and keep warm, providing versatility to accommodate various recipes and cooking times. The manual control method allows for straightforward operation, making it accessible for both beginners and seasoned cooks alike. Titanium Cutting Board. The Titanium Cutting Board by Suteg offers a versatile and durable solution for various kitchen needs. With dimensions of 15 inches into 10 modules and a thickness of 1, it strikes a balance between size and functionality, making it suitable for preparing everything from fruits and vegetables to meats and cheeses. The combination of wheat straw PP and titanium not only adds to its aesthetic appeal, available in silver and dark gray, but also enhances its durability and resistance to wear and tear. One of the standout features of this cutting board is its double-sided design, which allows for a more efficient workflow in the kitchen. This reversibility can prevent cross-contamination by allowing you to dedicate one side for raw meats and the other for vegetables or cooked items, maintaining food safety. Additionally, the non-porous surface ensures that it does not absorb odors or stains, making it easy to maintain and clean. The board is designed with a non-slip feature that ensures stability during use, even when tackling the most stubborn ingredients. Measuring 2.27 pounds, it is lightweight enough to handle easily while still being substantial enough to avoid sliding around on the countertop. The product care instructions suggest it should be hand-washed only. However, the dishwasher-safe feature enhances convenience for busy home cooks. Garlic Press. The Zule Kitchen Premium Garlic Press is a standout choice for anyone who frequently incorporates fresh garlic into their cooking. Crafted from durable zinc alloy and featuring a sleek nickel plating, this garlic press not only boasts a stylish silver finish, but is also designed for longevity and resilience. Weighing in at a comfortable 8.4 ounces, its balance is just right for effortless crushing. In terms of maintenance, the Zule Kitchen Premium Garlic Press excels as it is dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze after a busy cooking session. The user feedback is overwhelmingly positive, with an impressive average rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars from over 24,000 customers. This suggests that the product consistently meets or exceeds user expectations, affirming its reliability and effectiveness. One of the key highlights of this product is its ergonomic rubber handle, which provides a secure grip, allowing users to easily apply the necessary pressure without straining their hands. Measuring at 6.7 inches in length and 1.6 inches in width, the garlic press is compact enough to fit in any kitchen drawer while still being practical for daily use. Zule Kitchen Powerful Milk Frother Wand. The Zule Kitchen Powerful Milk Frother Wand impresses with its blend of efficacy and design, making it a must-have kitchen tool for both coffee aficionados and casual users. Weighing a mere 5.3 ounces, this lightweight frother boasts a sleek midnight black finish and durable stainless steel construction. It features a robust Z1 motor with a power output of 30 watts, ensuring that you can froth milk to perfection in mere seconds. Setting it apart from many competitors is the inclusion of a durable stand, allowing for easy storage and accessibility. The Milk Boss frother operates on 2 AA batteries, which are conveniently included, eliminating any immediate hassle for users. It's designed for residential use, making it ideal for home coffee stations, enabling you to create cafe-style beverages without stepping foot outside.